Hello and welcome to Aspirants Build and Govern. Today we are going to understand why is it raining in autumn season, that is October and November, this time in North India. So there are two main reasons. First is post-monsoon, that is what we say is northeasterly monsoon or retreating monsoon, and the second one is western disturbances. So here's a clear breakdown of what these are. So first is retreating monsoon. After September, the southwest monsoon withdraws from North India. During this withdrawal, October-November, the wind direction reverses, becoming northeasterly. As it retreats, moisture-laden winds from the Bay of Bengal sometimes interact with low-pressure systems, causing occasional rainfall or thunderstorms, especially in eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and adjoining plains. Second, western disturbances. These are low pressure systems originating over the Mediterranean region. They travel eastwards and reach North India, especially Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Western UP, and Rajasthan. When they meet local humidity and temperature variations, they bring light to moderate rainfall, thunderstorms, or even hailstorms. Western disturbances are the main reason for autumn and winter rains in North India. Third, temperature transitions. Autumn marks the change from monsoon humidity to dry winter air. This temperature shifts can create local low pressure zones which may trigger short spells of rain and drizzle, especially after hot afternoons. Fourth, cyclone systems in Bay of Bengal. October-November is also the peak season for the Bay of Bengal. Even if a cyclone doesn't hit the coast directly, its outer rain bands can affect the Gangetic Plain and North India. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe the Aspirants Build and Govern for daily such updates. Drop us the comment you want the topic next. Thank you.